my name is Justice Pfeifer, and my persuasive speech is on global warming. This is my audience. Did you know that according to the United States Global Change Research Program, the temperature in the United States has increased by 2 degrees in the last 50 years, and precipitation has increased by 5%. This is important to you because global warming can have a direct effect on your life, family, and community. Through this speech, I will discuss what is global warming, the effects of global warming, and how to help fight against it. What is global warming? According to the Merriam-Webster Dictionary, global warming is the increase in the Earth's atmospheric and oceanic temperature, widely predicted to occur due to the increase in greenhouse gas effect, resulting in pollution. What is the greenhouse gas effect? It is the trapping of the sun's warmth in the planet's lower atmosphere due to the greater transparency of the atmosphere and the visible radiation from the sun. This infrared radiation emitted from the planet's surface. What are greenhouse gases? Greenhouse gases trap heat in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is the greenhouse gas humans emit the most. Some examples of this would be burning fossil fuels to produce electricity and heat, burning fossil fuels to run vehicles, cutting and burning trees, also industrial and manufacturing processes. What effects do global warming have on the planet? Glaciers with rising temperature in the planet's polar regions. The glaciers are melting faster than new snow and ice can replenish them. Scientists have expected this rate to increase, and this will have severe consequences for the future sea levels. Hurricanes are a natural part of the climate system. According to the recent studies show that intensity of hurricanes have been growing since the 1970s. The oceans have taken in mostly all excess energy created by global warming. Hurricanes intensified has been linked to the rising of ocean temperatures. Sea levels have increased 8 inches since 1980. With rising sea levels, it can increase flooding in many of our military bases. Wildfires. An increasing wildfire season is getting longer. Higher spring and summer temperatures and earlier spring melts snow result in forests are hotter and drier than they used to be. Heat waves. Extremely hot weather is already occurring more than it has in the past. Scientists expect heat waves to become more frequent as the global warming intensifies. Forests. Millions of trees have died in the Rocky Mountains over the past 15 years. The forests which are victims of climate triple threat. Wildfires, stress from the heat, and insects. Floods. Heavy precipitation and flooding as a result of temperature increasing. More rain falls during the heaviest rains, which increase the rise of flooding. The heaviest 1% of storms drop 67% more precipitation in the Northwest, 30% in the Midwest, and 15% in the Great Plains than they did 50 years ago. Drought. With the change in the climate, it affects all the factors that are associated with droughts. When temperatures have increased, the possibility of this duration of droughts in the western United States. Health. Global warming has a direct effect on our health. With increasing temperatures, it can lead to more air pollution, longer algae season, and spread of insect-borne diseases that have serious risk on our health. Now that you know what global warming is doing, you may wonder what you can do. Here are some easy things you can do to help reduce global warming. 1. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce water. Turn off lights. And finally, turn off electric devices, or you can just plant a tree. In conclusion, I have explained what global warming is, the effects of global warming, and ways to reduce global warming. Global warming is already playing a role in our communities' health and climate. Unless we do something to help reduce emissions of global warming, these effects will grow and cost us more, and will damage the entire planet. That includes you, your family, and community. So I'm asking you to help change the global warming by changing one thing. If you could change one thing, would you? Thank you.